Hello everyone, let's learn how to leave review on AliExpress. Underestimating AliExpress feedback is unwise. Customer reviews help us decide if a product is worth ordering and provide insights. Allowing reviews on AliExpress is great. Buyers should have the right to update their opinions, so in this tutorial you will learn how to leave feedback on your phone. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open AliExpress app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, click on little man icon in bottom right corner of the screen, to go on your account. Next, when you come on this menu, we need to go to See Own Review. You will do that by tapping on little cloud icon in top of the screen. Now you can see your completed order, and you need to go on red button where is written Write a Review on order you want. On this menu you leave review, you can rate the product and service with as many stars as you want. Also you can upload a picture of product, how it was delivered and whether there are any damages, and you can leave a feedback on product. You can use English or your native language. When you do that, scroll a little down, and AliExpress offers you to enable two options. First is to your comments stay anonymous, and second is to your comments stay in feed of that product. And when you finish, click on Submit Feedback in the bottom of the screen, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.